Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through the process on how to find deleted or removed friends on Snapchat. So let's say you mistakenly deleted or removed your friend on Snapchat and you want to find them again. You can easily do so. But before you get into the video, subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so you get notified for more interesting videos. Firstly, let's head over to Snapchat. Now here, let me show you by removing one of my friends on Snapchat. Now as you can see, I've just removed my friend. Now I cannot see his profile on the screen right here. Now to simply search for that friend, you can simply tap on the search icon on the top and you can just enter in their usernames. And after you search their usernames on the search bar, you'll see the friends right here. So that's how easily you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. If you guys like this video, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more interesting videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.